Bafethu lapha emakhaya sanibona igama uSipho Hadebe, Paranormal Shows, the show that you're locked in today. Bafethu, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for choosing us. I always say this, Bafethu, maningi asazoba maningi ama-podcast kodwa siyazi ukuthi nina nizikhethele le eyenu eyintandokazi kini. With that note, we'd like to say thank you. Thank you. So you're locked in, Bafethu. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, notification button, Bafethu. Share our stories, let us know what you think. Yeah, so yonke into ihleli kahle. I believe this is the time that you've been waiting for. Ngithi sister Lamfanache, it is good to spatelan. So don't you go nowhere. Hi, Mapeveza.
Hi, Njani.
Happy. I'm George. Nothing. Okay. Okay, zvakashela Fanach.
Yeah, ngivakashele.
Alrighty. Just in short, how did you hear about Soweto Podcast?
I'm actually a follower of Soweto Podcast. I watch it.
Okay. Alrighty. Okay. You're here today.
Yeah, I'm here today.
Okay. Uspatele.
Ngiphathele isikadla sendaba.
Isikadla.
I don't know how to, yeah.
Alright, Ntwana. So you do know good to Zuba famous?
Yeah, I do know.
You do? Okay.
I do know.
Okay. I like that.
I do know.
Ntwana, who are you?
My name is Nonkulego Munakotla. From Orange Farm,
okay,
Mshengu, but I came as Soweto 2010.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Uphile umntana onjani no? Sister njani no?
Okay. When growing up, umntana stoked. Oraf. Shanayo.
No.
Yeah. But now I'm cooler. Yeah, I'm just an easy person.
Is it?
Bubbly. Yeah.
Okay. No. So what do you do for a living?
Right now, I'm trying to build up my brand. I'm working as an MC, near hoster,
okay,
upcoming actor. Yeah.
Okay. What are the events amakhulu or amanqanuke wenza?
Actually today. Okay. Actually today, ngibhekane ne-event enkulu that I must attend today as an MC.
Is it?
eBrakpan, yes.
eBrakpan?
Yes.
Yeah. What's happening?
It's a Maskandi festival ka SK Mthandeni, so I'll be MCing there.
Wow.
Yeah.
SK Mthandeni, the SK Mthandeni.
The SK Mthandeni, yeah.
So you'll be the MC?
Yes.
Wow. Bravo, Sabonga, Sabonga. Nonku, you're here today.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah,
so I don't remember which year. I was staying in Giti after having my firstborn.
Okay.
I moved out to Nayokasha, same street. So staying there, everything was fine. But she was not around most of the time. So
She?
She, yeah, okay. She.
Thank you. Now just making sure.
Yeah, she. So she would come Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You understand? So I got surprised when Ubabam Avarash. It was same street, right? So it's a few houses away. Avarash fighting. Me, I thought because what's happening. I thought he was fighting that I've been thinking that you're friends. Can't you know? From my auntie's side,
And you didn't know?
And I didn't know.
Okay,
sharp. I stayed there. I was friends with the girl, we'd go out, in the Wazama society on Mondays, we'd go out, drink, Kambiskati. So there was this other time whereby they sell no kokwa I began you check. So they sell no mamaki, which is Gim U Koko, because she was older than me. So masahleli endlini angicela ugogo ukuthi ngicela uyokhigate yabo so that masilala sivele sicima amalight kulalo. Okay, sharp ngihamba ngiyokhigate ngingena endlini ngimtshela ukuthi hayi sengiyahamba nami ngiye roomini lami ngithatha umntwana siye roomini. Okay, ama-room alaphaya eZola, I think most of you guys know, ama-room anamabhatla. Yeah. So no, not Batla like Eromin like straight, Batla like Evrandin. Yeah. So I was standing outside smoking, preparing to sleep. Yeah. So while I was smoking, I'm hearing my footsteps as are from Emuva Guama room. Yabo. Me thinking ukuthi abafana base back opposite ngithi, you know what, I want to see that person ojumpayo because igate likhiwe. Abantu basendlini sebalele. How okay. Ngesilinde vele. Like ukubona when hearing ama footsteps. Umuntu akhona ngathi ufaka amaphaca uya. Ngisathi ngithi ngiyabhema. Hayi chamuka isithunzi ngithi ngifuna ukubona kahle lo muntu lo because obviously kulayitile ngaphandle and kumnyama. Makuchamuka isithunzi ngithi ngiyabheka kahle akunamuntu. So ngagijima ngangena eromini ngakhe umnyango angazi ukuthi yini lebe yithi vula iwindow ubheke ukuthi kahle kuyenzakalani. Awu ngavula iwindow I didn't see anything. You understand? Ngatshela umngane wami ukuthi you know what ngibone isithunzi and isithunzi akunamuntu. You understand? Isithunzi sodwa and I was hearing ama footsteps so I wanted to see ukuthi ubani lo. Angitshela ukuthi I know maybe udawugwayi. It's fine. Ngiyabuya kusasa sokhuluma. Okay, sharp. The next day comes abuye. Nakabuya sichile ngimxoxele yabo ukuthi hayi kenzakala sona. Athi no, maybe you're overthinking things yabo. Okay, sharp. Later on ahamba endlini ayolala. Makayolala the next day ekseni she's telling me ukuthi usibonile naye. But this time around it was different because bese window straight. Umpetha kubhekane ne-window. So ithe makathi uyaphaphama wabona isithunzi simile nje simbhekile. Hayi okay, sharp. Angitshela ukuthi hayi ngikutshelile ngithi ukuthi ngibonile wena wathi hayi I'm overthinking things. Ahambe ke umngane wami there's this place eZola 1 eMarobodini. Ngiyaphuza lapho during the day ivalwa ngabo 6. So ahamba yobloma khona. Her going there I think ukuthi she was meant to go there. Hlangana this guy is from Tsakani. Makahlana no guy ugobela wasetsakani. The thing ithwasa lakhe etlali. Hayi bakhuphuke naye it was my two friends ne umngani kamngani nalo guy. Mabakhuphuka bafike bahlale bam-introduce vele ukuthi hayi lo muntu lo ubani K-sharp ngimkhulume naye bangena eromini bahlale siphuze. So this guy akafunanga ukuhlala isikhathi eside ngathi there was something disturbing him yabo. Alibela bodla athi you know what ethi ngisukume ngihambe yabo. Makasukuma ahambe ngitshela uNhlanhla ukuthi you see this guy khona into ayibonayo la eJardini and you guys are not aware. Umngane wami athi hayi ngizozama ukukhuluma naye ngithi no he gave me his numbers ngizomtexta ngitshela situation mina engiyibonile then see ukuthi sithatha from where. Okay sharp ngimtexte vele okay it's I know ireason ukuthi ngihambe it was because of lento ngitshela yona I sensed into wrong eJardini you understand and it has to do nabo makhelwane at most times ngithi okay it's fine athi ngizoza the next day sizokhuluma. Hayi afike the next day sicoce yabo kube into yokucoca nje kuphela yabo. Silibele sibloma going out together yabo. Hayi they ended up dating nomngane wami. Yabo nalo gobela. They ended up dating. The guy used to come visit to Qinisekahlala. I don't know how it happened, but Qinisekahlala. So him staying, we planned a birthday braai for him because the birthday yakhe bese isondele. Yabo sithi so enze braai sisihlalele eJardini siphuze invite people. Okay, isikhathi sifike vele sebraai. Masifika umngani kamngani. Afike unomntwana olingana nomntwanami. My son was 6 months by the time. Afike vele siziblomele. Masablomile uMavuso ahambe ayengase toilet eyangaphandle. Ame kancane ngimlandele ngithi what's happening athi no ngizama ukuzibamba yabo angifuni ukuthi ngivuke abantu abadala. Ngithi okay sharp it's fine just try to get fresh air. Okay. Ngimshiye ngifike ngizohlala phansi sihleli ngaphandle like emaromini. Asihlalanga efront sihleli yabo. Yeah. So Mavuso afika athi uhlala phambi kwami. Makathi uhlala phambi kwami khona into ethi sukuma kuye. Angazi ukuthi usukume nini umuntu wagibela wa approach gate. Ngamgijimisa ngakey gate. Mangithi ngikey gate wafuna ukujumpa ajumpele next door. So samdonsa yabo. Ukumdonsa kwethu he went to the tree. There was a tree in front. It's sort of like it looks like an alu tree but it's not an alu tree. Afike agubhe ngezandla yabo. Hayi sithi kuye ngithumela umuntu ukuthi hayi landani iforoko or something azogubha ngayo because of lo muntu uzolimala ukubha inhlabathi ngezandla. Hayi agubhe vela khipha umuthi. Hayi maka ukhipha umuthi akhulume apparently isithunya sakhe asikhulumi like ngokuthi usizwe it's sign language. Uzokutshela into then you'll guess it bese asho if you're correct or not. Yabo. Hayi okay sharp. Hayi Phithizela Spanini, there was this other gay bekakhona sivakashele. Yeah, he's a friend. Yeah, afike. How uChomi phela athi uyahamba uyolanda obviously ngithi mele sizivale. Umuntu masekavuke isithunywa, like you have to mawufaka ijini intombazana mele uzivale uzirep.
Isn't.
Yes. So ugirl ahambe uChomi ahambe athi uyolanda
Okay.
because bekafaka ishorts uMavoso athi no yekela ithawula uright so hlala phansi. Hi uMavoso spoke ukuthi wangibuza mina ukuthi Nonkululeko, do you know your history yale charity le? Ngithi no, I don't know it. Apparently I went to ubaba mncane wami eNaledi because bese ngibaleka umuntu amakahamba ngiye eNaledi makabuya ngiyabuyela eRomini because bengisaba ukuba yiwani yabo after what I saw. So my ubaba mncane wami ngitshela ukuthi no kahle lapha esekhaya. You understand kashabalala ugogo wakho apparently bathi bekathakatha and stuff like that. So ikamera lakhe belineligodi odeep ogcwele imithi. Ngithi okay senginetlu ngithi so why bengifihlele ukuthi kusekhaya athi no it's because of ubaba wakho akusikubo ukithi from father's side. Ngithi okay sure that's fine ngibuyele. So Mavoso athi Nkuli, do you know history yakho yala? Ngithi no, I don't know it but ngizwile bangitshelile recently ukuthi kenzakalani. Athi oh okay sharp. Apparently isithunzi sakagogo, you know every yard mina ngikukhola kwami ijardi linesithunzi. Yeah, so apparently bathi isithunzi sakwazi ukusetshenzwa ukuthi attack abantu abahlala ejardini. Yeah, I don't know how ukuthi nivimba kanjani le nto leyo. I was clueless yabo. Athi so indlu le eyala ejardini it's surrounded by abantu abagangayo. So into ekumele niyenze nina is just that nithole imithi imhlini ejaridi because lesithunzi lesi sizon attack. Hayi ukuthi usibone kuphela sizo attack yabo. Ngimbuze ngithi okay so since lezi zinto lezi zenzeka ngiceda kufika mina yimi engivuse yonke le nto le. Athi no, I'm not sure because of nabantu abahlala la they are not telling me the full story. Ngithi okay that's fine. So ayenze lento za Kathleen Jaridi athathe i-newspaper fake lo muthi lo lapho ede imithi layite ashunqise endlini, you understand. Atshele mina nomngane wami ukuthi iyani estradeni ngishise lo muthi la nibuyisele yonke into kumnikazi. Umnikazi itsayina uzoshona or uzovuka ngathi ushayiwe like uzoba nama blue eye aphuke isandla or inyawo. Hayi okay sambe vele kusebusuku sithukile nathi because it's our first time doing this. Yabo sazibuza ukuthi abantu abasestradeni bazo react kanjani mababona abantu balibele bakhuluma bashisa into phakathi kwestrad yabo. Hi, we did that. Sabuyela ejaradini. Then yeah, everything was fine. We slept that night. Salala peacefully. Umntwana mbe angasahluphi because he used to cry ebusuku angalali. Kube ngathi khona into ayibonayo ukwabona umntwana makakhala angastophi. Ugogo uthulile. She's not saying anything. You understand? Hayi kuthulakale zisuke zakagogo. This time angisaboni isithunzi angisaboni next ugogo manje sekayahlupha. We now having issues esingabaqashi. Mina I didn't mind ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngibhadale rent, you understand? Because vele ngifike ngokuqasha. So besiqhubeka sibhadale rent. So ugogo bekaba aggressive. Makadakiwe akhuluma ukuthi uyasetshenziswa ebusuku uyathunyelwa. Yabo? Singa understand leyo nto leyo ukuthi uthunyelwa kuphi ebusuku. Yeah, because bekadakiwe like akakhuluma into straight. Hi, it happened this other day after insebenzo le yasejardini. I went next door. Kulogogolo wase next door. La uGayi bekafuna ukujampela ngakhona. Mangifika ngithi hayi ngiyomchecka phela ngithi ngoba uyazi ukuthi umntwana sekazi uthanda indaba ufuna ukufind out ayona investigate ukuthi kuyenzakalani. How ngiye next door mangifika ugogo une blue eye isandla siphukile. Gogo kuyenzakaleni? Hayi angazi nami ngivuke nginje. Ngithi hayi okay sharp ube ngcono. Ngibuyele vele kuThomi ngithi Thomi kunomuntu une blue eye ngalo uthi uvuka njalo isandla siphukile. Athi that says it all. Angeke senze lento le the next day. Kube so. Hayi saphumile ngiyawasha it's kusemini. So next door yakagogo besingaboni besibona kule next door yangapha because yabo le itina lezi abathanda ukwenza ibonda ngazo lezi ezikhona ukubona like next door. Ngibona lo gogo ungena next door, she's not used to ungena next door phambi kwamehlethu. Ungena next door uraunda akakokota endlini uraundele emuva kwamaroom. Ngithi hayi le ngifuna ukuyibona ngizohlala la angiyindawo nanoma bangathi ngiceda ukwasha ngifuna ukubona yonke into ukuthi uyophuma kanjani nini. Ngena umkhulu wase next door, ngena umkhulu wase next door, ungena uye empompini ubuyele endlini. Ugogo angaze ngambona aphuma lapha. Angaze ngambona lo yagogo aphuma lapha kulela jaridi. Ngize ngahlala ngakhathala ngashiswa ilanga. Since umuntu atshopi angazi if she disappeared into thin air or what. Yeah. So I ended up moving out ngiyohlala eNaledi because now I was the enemy emehlweni abantu yabo. Kwabona like umuntu ogangayo masombhacile ukuthi kahle kahle it's you. I was the enemy because uMavuso bekanokusitshela ukuthi like niqapheleni because of lokho lo makangena la nizoxabana every time, so you must focus on that and check ukuthi kahle kahle what's happening. And can you believe ukuthi uMavuso makangena ugogo akekho ejardini. uMavuso makaqeda kuphuma kungena ugogo kushuthi makasendleleni ugogo uyaphuma uya kwakhe, so bebangahlangani like ejardini eli1. Bebangahlangani ejardini eli1. I sathi siphumulile before I moved out. Everything is fine now angithi. Mavuso it happened ukuthi ahambe ayetsakani. Angithi mele ahamba endumbeni yakhe a check amathwasa akhe. Makahambile ayetsakani mina ngisakule challenge lokuthi I go eNaledi ngiyabuya. I go eNaledi ngiyabuya bekunabanye abaqashi. Abaqashi labo iroom labo lihlangane nebonda lase next door kagogo. Phawu mangibuya this other day ugelwa khona wase Newcastle bekaqeda kufika nje Soweto. A complain kimi ukuthi hayibo asilale ebusuku. Ngithi what's happening? Athi khona into egijimayo from ngale next door. Igijima like and the weight yokunyathela it's very heavy. Igijima from le ibuye futhi igijime ishaya ibonda lethu. So asilale and nathi siyasaphuma ebusuku ngithi hayi I'm moving out. Ngaba ngithi same day mangifika ngithatha impahla ngithatha umntanami Sunday because umntanami I ended up ngimisa emprofeteni khabo girlfriend begane relative bekumprofeta. So that lady she really helped me because by that time being in an ID my dad was bekangihlupha like benga understand mangikhuluma ngendaba ze-ID he would want me to pay him ukuthi ayongenzele ID not understanding. Saya kuloko lo yabo masifika besingafika nguzo consulta bengiyochecka like ifamily lapha ya ukuthi yabo introduce awusisahlela ugogo athi yes there's something wrong now nomntwanakho. Actually your son is in danger, so you must do something about it and kuzomela ngikuncede ukuthi unemali or awunamali iclose lithi ngikuncede so that nizoba safe. Angibuza ukuthi where's your father, ngimxoxela story ukuthi me and my dad we are not on good terms due to ukuthi I got pregnant at the age of 21. Mara sengimdala ngithi. Yeah. So I got pregnant at the age of 21, so I think into ayikwatele I'm struggling ukuthi angenzele ID. Okay, sharp. I will help you out asambise endombeni yami. Lo mama loya uses water. Aga sebenzisi like amathambo. She uses water, she prays. You understand? Prophet. Hi athandaze angitshela ukuthi I'm going to do you I'm going to need your help. Ngicela ubhale igama laka mama khona Sibonga, igama laka baba khona Sibonga. Ngitshela ukuthi my mom has passed away. Athi uzokunceda ke nala khona. I did that ne wathandaza. Makaqeda kuthandaza wafaka umntwana intambo. Do you see this intambo lezi ezigreen lezi abasifaka abantwana laba sasebancane? Because mina I didn't believe kulezi zinto lezi ukuthi intambo. Yeah. Afaka umntwana intambo yabo umntwana abe right yabo angasahluphi phela umntwana mbekakhala all the time like bekakhala. Okay. Amfaka intambo umntwana mahamba yovakasha. Baba mthanda abantwana a lot. Abazukulu bakhe he doesn't even mind babysitting. Mara inkinga ukuthi uyabamosha. So baba athatha umntwana athazomvakashela, how umntwana ahambe vela yovakashela umkhulu.
First time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Makayovakashela umkhulu phela umntwana makabuya ubuya intambo ayisekho. Ikhichiwe intambo emntwaneni. Angilanda babami, yeah, so hamba masangoma. Ngithi no, ngihamba masangoma. I'm doing this to protect umntwanami. You understand? Hayi sicabane iphele lapho. Okay, ngisheshe ngayikhuluma leyo ndaba. So mangiphuma kulo mama lo, the next day ubaba athumele my twin brother, I have a twin. Athumele my twin brother la ngiqashe khona ukuthi ngicela uyotshela uNkulunkulu ukuthi kusasa abe ready alungise imali yokugibela ngiyomenzela ID. remember umprofeta umtshela ukuthi yonke into izolunga uzoyenza i-ID lo muntu. Yazi I didn't believe mabangena. Like I was so shocked. I didn't believe. Umprofeta wasitshela ukuthi lo gogo lo enhlala naye eJardini unithelela something emnyango. So ngizonipha iswasho enizoklina ngaso eromini. Even if you wanna bath ngaso ungageza ngaso. Ngisijwayeza ukuthi manilala wena noNkululeko since kugini lighta ikhandlela eliready. Ikhandlela eliready it shows makungabe kunemimoya esnacks. Uzobona ngalo liyagobeka or something.
Okay.
And ulighta awubonisi umuntu ukuthi ulayita ikhandlela eliready. Ulighta ekhoneni la ngeke kubone umuntu ukuthi ulayita ikhandlela. Ngawuthola lelo khona. Can you believe ukuthi ugogo beka sekakhuluma indaba yekhandlela eliready? Yani busy ngilayitela ikhandlela la eJardini lami. Ngifuna ukungiloya. You understand? So I saw yonke into ukuthi spiritual things they exist emhlabeni. You understand? Sometimes uzozitshela ukuthi ayikho indaba yokuthi ubona ithunzi. Yabo, into zase-story. No, it's real. It's real. Ngize ngawonda. Like uqashile uhlala emqashweni ufuna ispace sakho ube nepeace. But awuthola ukuphumula. Mawulele ebusuku kumele ulibele uvuka ubheka. Bengilala ngilayitile. Ukuthi ngibone yonke into mangabe ngizovuka nje kunento emela ngiyibone ngamehlo akazi nokuthi bengizoyenzani but ngiyibone ngamehlo ami. So I ended up moving out. I think partner was not strong enough by then, so we ended up separating. That's how I moved out. We separated sikabanisa abantu balapho. You understand? When she's gone, bazomtshela ukuthi hayi this person ubusy. When I'm ongekho bayangena. Ngi-understand ukuthi why. You understand? So I ended up moving out ngayohlala nalady. Ngabaqoqela istory ukuthi hey, ngikuyogowa mina. I saw a lot of things engadilivanga nokuthi ngiyoze ngizibone. So today we've never spoke about that. Like abantu base-Kasi abazi ukuthi what happened kulela charity. Bebabona vele ukuthi hayi man. Go busy, I understand. Because umavuso makavuka idlozi, it was around 6-7 ntambama. Yes.
Nonku, if you look back and you do a thorough introspection, what kept you so strong? Njoboshkutu partner couldn't, like it was just too much for him to bear and not to be able to handle the pressure.
So what kept me strong is that I had to fight for umntwanam. Umntwanam ulama umufi, so obviously, you understand, mawushonela firstborn, secondborn, mawuyithola, wenza ngayo yonke into, that's why ngimbize buphilo. He showed me life, actually. Lo mntwana ungibonise impilo. You understand? So what kept me going, umntwanam, I had to fight for him. Ngimkhulise endaweni right la azoba comfortable kuyo. Because I noticed imakhambi isikhathi ukuthi right now he's 8 years. He's a happy child, a bubbly one. So I'm proud ukuthi ngifike kule age le akuyo ngilibele ngimkhulisa alone without any help. Ngumama responsible. Yeah.
So your family yasekhaya, do you still visit? Are you guys talking?
Yeah, we are on good terms. You know, family is everything. Nanoma bangakwenzani nje. Uzobavakashela. Nanoma bangakwenzani. I visit nomntana musavakasha ezola umkhulu wakhe. You understand? Yeah. Uzangibuza ukuthi wawungalethi umntwana azovakasha. We are on good terms. At the same time, I understand ukuthi bebamfakela ilwano babam. That's why he was fighting. Makumela yenze izinto eziright because akekho ubaba ozofuna ukuthi yena alwise umntwana wakhe ukuthi ufuna ukuthi abe ne-ID. Ngizothola kanjani umsebenzi ngena ID, you understand? So bangitshela vele ukuthi abangifakela ilwane khona ubabami umuntu akhayo. So there is this place ebhekane nalabo engiqashe khona umama walapho. Apparently naye she's involved in everything because we were surprised mabame boyithu nalogogo wase next door uguy lo esangoma akhuluma indaba. Mangithi ngibheke egedini bame boyithu ngazibuza ukuthi lethu le ime kanjani boyithu because of their fighting. Abomakhelwana abangafunani. So ihistory yalaphayana it's surprising. Abogogo balaphayana abazwani. Angithi uyazi ukuthi abogogo kumele bahlale bodwa bapheziti abazwana balaphaya. I-competition. Lo maka akha lo. Lo maka khuphula istina kukhuphula lo. So kusho ukuthi mawugogo ngenamali hayi uluzile nje kulama.
Lapha eKasilame ezona.
Yes, lapha eKasilame ezola 1.
Yazi Nonku, izinto surely ziba ngazathi yabona mawuthi as families
Yeah,
you would always visit.
yeah.
Still, let me come back to say, do you still see that spiritual fight against you or against the child? Ushangathi awuyiboni, or has there been a peace now? Good eye. Sesidlulile kule mali. Now there's peace, now there's tranquility, now we're moving forward. Or you still standing with us no matter what happens. Khona into ozidefenda ngayo, khona into odefenda ngayo umntwana.
Yeah, mina apparently ikhona into engidefenda ngayo, but into eyafika ephuphweni ne. Ngaphupha ngisesontweni elase ZCC.
Okay.
I was trapped inside that church. So ngazibuza for days and days ukuthi what's happening. Ngathi this other thing avuka ukwabona like I'm not umuntu ohleza esontweni every now and then. Mina esontweni ngiyama ngizizwa ukuthi I need church. Ngivuka nje ngizizwa ukuthi ngifuna ke esontweni. So that's the church I attended there, then I got help, you understand? Got help because umntwana wami ugcine sekaba nenkinga yamehlo, like bekanowahlahla njengoba sekamdala manje. It was into ya last day, bekanowahlahla ngimbuza ukuthi amehlo abuhlungu, athi ya abuhlungu, you understand? Mawe clinic, there is nothing wrong amehlo akhe are pure white, so ayikho ubona kahle, you understand? So ntweni bathi no, let's umntwana sizomenzela indayelo phethe. So ngaziphetha indayelo zami, and ngaziphetha I went to church for the first time. Bangihlahluba ngalandelela indayelo. Can you believe it? I went to church the first time. The second day I had a fight with my father ekuseni. Ngihambe Thursday esontweni baphaphatha. Friday ekuseni babami was on my door la ngiqashe khona akukota. Angasathukani, and ngavele ngathula I'm someone ongathanda ukuphendula abantu abadala mabathetha, no matter how wrong they are. Ngiyathula because I know my dad uzokubuza iquestion umphendula athi thula. You understand? So I'd keep quiet, ngimame ngathula yazi ngambheka ngamamela, ngaphuma erumini ngamlandela kithi, like I listened to him ukuthi uthini, but I didn't have a clue ukuthi kahle kahle ngichikelwane ekuseni kangaka 7 ekuseni ngichikelwa ini. So the next day where Tolisa, I went to church again. There's this guy uhlala naye usonta khona. Ngambuza ukuthi hayi man, this and this and this and this happened. Wangitshela ukuthi hayi lento kababakho kahle kahle akakapheli, you have to come with him esontweni kufuneka ubabakho. So ubabam, he was once a pastor Yama Christian Universal Church, so he knows izinto ezenzakala behind abafundisi. So he doesn't believe ey'ntweni zamasonto. Ukuthi uyi-traditional healer, ufuna uzokutshela kahle ukuthi no, what you think is what you attract. Ma uzitshela ukuthi uyagula, kusho ukuthi uyagula vele. By that time it's not like ucabanga ukuthi ngiyagula. I-situation ibhekane nawo ukuthi mfethu uyagula, you need help. Uzokutshela ukuthi ugula ngoba ucabanga ukuthi uyagula. So I think ukuthi lento le ababhizi ngayo kuye imstopper from him getting help, going to consult or going to church, because he never went to church since. Uzokutshela kahle ukuthi I was a pastor and kuningi bekwenzakala esontweni besibaqola abantu. My dad loved church in a way ukuthi bekafika athathe i-TV ayise esontweni. You understand? So bekayithanda isonto, but now akazingeni.
Nothing to do with that.
Akazingeni. So now there's nothing I can do. Mawutshela umuntu omdala ukuthi I need help. Angafuni, what can you do? Ngeke umdonse umforce ukuthi asangise esontweni.
Where is he now?
He's still alive, hey? And very grown up. He's 60 years this year. 60. So yeah, he's still alive. We're on speaking terms. Unokubuya, abe ilenta iyo, ubuye. Angichike phone, angitexteni, child, I miss you. Please take care of your sisters and brothers. You understand? Ngaso sikhathi angisiki ngi firstborn. Khona firstborn. Mina ngi thirdborn ngoba ngiyiwele nomfana. So
but in a nutshell, he's a wonderful dad.
Yeah, he is a wonderful dad. Yeah, he is. He was there for me while ngisakhula. Yeah. Ubaba righty. Umkhulu o righty. Othandwa yingane.
I like that.
Yeah.
No big ups to him. No big ups to him. Big ups to him. No, in closing, yes. So since you grew up, what is your now final outlook to everything that has happened to your life? Why was it happening? And what is it that you've learned and that you're taking with you? Then into one muthi lesiga inqinisile and inkhulisile. I've learned this ngayo yonke lento lena. So with that, I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm pursuing forward. And I know this will bring success for me.
Into enginoticile, by that time I was very weak, ignorant. Ne? Abaphansi bakhona, and they do really help. Sometimes we always try ukuthi mawuhleli, if you want success, ucele amatlozi akho anenhlanhla ukuthi akuncede so that you can succeed in life. Yes, I've grown up. Angaka be stable to what I want to do, but I believe in that ukuthi I'm gonna get there. Actually, I believe in that ukuthi I'm gonna get there very soon. Yeah, I have hope. Abanye abantu bazongibheka bathi hayi lo yahlanya, she's overthinking, but what you think vele is what you attract. When it comes to success, kumele uzitshele ukuthi I'm going to make it. So as ngumuntu othanda ukuba ku-media, I'm pushing hard, you understand? I'm trying to find opportunities ngapha nangapha. Nginovalo, I'm very shy, but kumele ngisebenze. What can I do? You understand? Okay. So it made me strong ukuthi I fought everything that was happening back there, and I saw abantu bebangangifuni. I still have abantu abangangifuni that are very close to me. It's either your family or your friend. Abangipretendelayo. That I know. I'm much more aware of izinto zomhlaba now ukuthi ungaphila nomuntu akumonele. You understand? Not every friend is pure kuwe. Abanye bafika ngokuthi I want to be you, so manhle omunye ufuna ukuhlala nawe because of unenhlanhla yena kanayo, so makanawe yena uba nalento le onayo. Yeah, so
you're dealing with every character that even those the ones that are pretending, you are able to deal with them ngendlela.
I'm not a fighter. I'm umuntu othulile. I love peace. Angizwani nomsindo. So ngiyazidistance nje. I don't speak anything. Nanoma ungathi uthi uyangilwisa ungipostela yabaza ngithi intanga zethu ziyaposta kuma status zithukane. I become the bigger person yabo. Ngithule ngibukele uzoposta thukane, but at the end of the day uzoba wadelethile wonke lama post. Seka post into normal. So I've learned ukuthi empilweni not everyone loves you. Abanye abantu bakuvalele inhlanhla. Uthola ukuthi uwazalwa unenhlanhla enkulu kabi. You have to be a millionaire. Umuntu afike nje abone inhlanhla yakho athi lo ngizombonisa. Yeah, so ukuthakathi bukhona emhlabeni buningi sham. Bengicela ukubelieve lapho mangibona mina ukuthi abantu basemhlabeni ba busy.
It's happening.
Yeah.
Sisinonko, Mofethu. Sister lami lifikile. Nilizwile lapho emakhaya ukuthi I know she had to learn the hard way ukuthi buthakathi bukhona buti wakho. Beyenzeka futhi. So yeah, please let us know what you think about the Sisinonko. What do you think about the story? Yeah, share your thoughts. Share your thoughts, Mofethu. So at this point in time, what I like is the fact that she is so resilient. And the calmness it shows the maturity that comes with her, be able to handle different characters. I like the fact that Nala Baba pretending Nala was good. I just have to be very careful. That takes a lot of maturity and power to do that. Because abanye bethu siyazazi ukuthi mina Sipho yo ngimsusa fast angangijwayele. Yes sangeke. Adonse savana usister adonse happy Pablo ubona ukuthi hayi nobu battery bukhona. Bafethu sote podcast paranormal show ndekene rakena rathamula rabere kola nali ausnonku rale bafethu. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Bafethu Sipho atebe ole rata kudu le atseba le tla nthola ko ka SOT Kaslam. Sisinonko, thank you so much for coming through, Sisi. I wish you all the best with your gig today, Nobu MC. Please tell them if they want to book you for MC, give your numbers, give your email address. Arbaken Auswaka.
Go Facebook umthola as Umkuli Lewiski, like LI ne whiskey le ephuzwayo. And TikTok too, Instagram, go WhatsApp at 0788781824.
Right. Okay, Bafethu, tonight, Utogo Piste Swami?
Tonight, I'm going to Park Pan.
eBrakpan. Okay.
Yes.
I know ukuthi nje bazi ukuthi uphethe igig eGroot eBrakpan uzoba awu MC
Yeah.
bazothi mase bathi awusinunkuna leader sika lo assist uya siyancanya bafethu sote podcast paranormal show ayoba ntwana
Thank you.
sisonke